Hey, welcome back. So this video right here is going to be a different kind of video. So each day, whenever I post, you guys are coming at me very hard. Y'all ain't playing no games, all right? And I totally get it. I totally understand. I got it. So therefore, I am coming to y'all to help me make a decision of what I should do. So a lot of you guys want me to come forward with my own brand. A lot of you guys have asked me if I am coming out with my own t-shirt line. And I don't know. But what I'm asking you guys is the fact that what would you like for me to come out with? Would you like, what would you like? Would you like ruffles? Would you like sheer? How would you exactly like my t-shirt line to come out? How would you like it? I need some ideas. That's why I'm coming to you. Leave it down in the comment below. I need, if you think the shirt should be colorful, if you think that it should just be plain, I don't know. That's why I'm coming to y'all. Because y'all already know the way I'm dressing is pretty much a little bit over the top. Everyone doesn't like, me coming on camera with a crazy ass t-shirt or a crazy ass blouse. But that is me. That is what I do. I don't like being, like what other reactors like to wear. I don't like it. Okay? It doesn't tickle my fanny. It doesn't make me all furry inside. Yeah, I don't know. Would you want would you want long sleeve? Would you want short sleeve? Would you want V-neck? Do you want hoodies? Yeah. All of that is the questions that I get. I don't get these on every 2 weeks. I get this on a daily basis. You beautiful people want me to come out with a shirt line, want me to come out with an actual t-shirt line. Now, I've got to say, I've seen people on this platform come out with t-shirts, come out with hoodies, and I'm going to let you know, they are tacky as hell. Tacky. There is no way that I would even get myself up to go ahead and put you a t-shirt, wrap it real nice, like it's my brand, and put it in a box and take it to the post office to have it shipped to you. One thing y'all should know about me by now is that I love fashion, and I am only going to let you get something that I will come up here on my platform and that I will walk in the streets with on a daily basis. All right? That's just how I am. I'm not going to let you come over here, send you an ugly ass shirt, poor quality at that. Like I see people on here doing right now. They're doing Teesprings. They're doing, what's the other one? I don't know. But I'm going to tell you the shit is fucking horrible. You got people on here that are making hoodies, making t-shirts or whatever, and it is not something that they, articulately taken out their brain to say, well, here's a shirt. I am going to go ahead and sell it, being as though I already looked at the shirt, knowing that it is nothing cute about it. Or you can always tell when someone is doing like the Teesprings, like I said, you can always tell that they are hurrying up and rushing it because their final work that they put out to send you out looks like trash. And I seen a lot of people, I was looking, I said, oh, okay, did you just try to splash some color up on that t-shirt thinking that it was going to be a winner? Exactly. They thought it was going to be a winner. In all reality, it looks like shit. All right. A lot of these shirts and t-shirts and stuff that I see that other reactors, others subscribe, whatever, and they put it up there for you to buy, the shit sucks balls. I mean, I'm sorry. One thing about me, I'll say again, if I am not going to rock that shirt so that when I walk into a room, like I said, I own it with that shirt on, I'm not going to let you guys buy it. So, like I said, can you guys give me some ideas? Can you guys tell me what you like? Do you guys, would it be okay if I put my name somewhere in the shirt? I mean, tell me what you guys want. All right, tell me what you guys want. Like, I mean, I don't know. But I just know that you guys are not under any circumstances playing with me at all. You guys are around the, the rim of, look, if you don't go over there and make some shirts, make something and make yourself a brand, I am going to literally be at your door. And when you open the door, I am going to throw some yellow paint in your face and on you. Yes, it's going to be sort of like, when you have the animal activists and they come on with, a mink coat or whatever. As soon as they walk out the house, they get some paint splashed up on them. That is how I feel that you guys are getting ready to do me. I am also very alert. I am looking out the door when I come out. I'm looking out the other side of the door. I've already checked the windows. Okay, I've already done that to throw some paint on me. So with that being said, I said, you know what? I better get my little chunky ass on here and tell them that it is within the works. And I am going to need all of what you would like. I am definitely going to need it. I am asking you also, what color shirts are you going to want? Let me think. Is there anything else? Would you actually like mugs? Would you like book bags? Would you like candle holders? I don't know. That's why I'm asking you guys. I want to know, what is it that you actually want from me? Would you like what the message to be in the front of the shirt? Would you like it to be in the back of the shirt? I mean, I'm just saying, y'all, I just want to know. Because like I said, you guys are coming for me hard. I am almost scared, you feel me, to leave my home. Yeah. People get on here and they say, oh, well, you can come on camera with this shirt. You can come on camera with that shirt. We just want you to have some type of brand for yourself on a shirt. Because you know what? I am going to support it. Everyone says that they are going to support it. I hope that when I come out with this brand or how it's going to look, I hope you guys do support it. So anyway, people, I am going to see you guys in the next video. Later.